I'm studying in the Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering department, and I'm from Mantova, Italy. So let me start introducing my background and my former studies. So I got my bachelor and master degrees from Politecnico di Milano, and during my master I had the chance to experience an exchange period in the University of Bradford. And this is to say that actually Hong Kong is not my first experience abroad, but of course it's my first experience outside Europe. So during my studies, I've received several times this kind of questions like, why did I choose Hong Kong? So first of all, I believe that Hong Kong is extremely dynamic. So you can find, for example, if you have a good idea for a business, then you can find a lot of investors. Indeed, yeah, probably is one of the areas of the world where you can find most startups. And at the same time, we know that China is the greatest rising economy so far, and probably in the next few years it's going to be the most important one in the world. Then for me it's been also something, a cultural interest. So I've always been quite interested to learn more about Chinese culture and Chinese traditions. So for example, here you can see this sentence is 我很好,
Wow.
which means I'm very good, and it's been very useful for me to come here and also like start learning some Mandarin, which as we can see now is getting more and more important. And last thing, another reason that brought me here is the Italian crisis. So when I had to decide, when I decided to come to Hong Kong, the economical situation in Italy was not one of the best. So this actually pushed me to step away. And then let me answer to why HKUST. So first of all, the main reason I'm here is, of course, my research topic. Indeed, I met my supervisor in a conference in Europe, and during that conference, I got to know that his research topic is the one I'm interested in, and therefore, when he asked me to join his research team, I was super happy and very willing to join. So that's actually the main reason I'm doing my research in HKUST. So the second reason is also this, because of course when I received this offer, I checked also for other universities in Hong Kong offering a program in chemical engineering, but no one can. So HKUST is actually the only university offering the chemical engineering program. So this was the only place I could go in Hong Kong, at least. And then I have the opportunity to work with many famous professors in my field, because inside my department there are many people working in my same topic. So this is something very useful. And finally, there is the possibility to establish a lot of connection. Indeed, my supervisor usually supports me all the time to join international conferences, and this helps you to get in touch with researchers from all over the world. And another very important thing, especially for people doing research, is the funding. So, and even here I've been always supported by my supervisor, which always helped me to purchase equipment from the lab. And here comes the thing that to me made a big difference from campuses in Italy, at least in Milan. And this is the campus life, and the facilities and activities organized by the university are really a lot. And if you have a hobby, you most probably will find an organization in the university where you can practice it. And if you don't have one, you can surely find something that you are interested in. And as a last thing, since we are anyway in a studying environment and we need a quiet place to study and to work with for our research, then I found HKUST a perfect place because we are far away, not that far away, but 30 minutes like from downtown, and this helps you to concentrate on your research. And yeah, this is this is all for my sharing part, and I'd like to say also saluto a tutti quelli che ci vedono dall'Italia.